Hey guys, welcome back. You can hear that, can't you? It's raining ice. Look at that. Oh, we are having a snowstorm. We are having a snowstorm. Anyway, I have updates for this channel. Sure, I'm out here, no coat on, no jacket to save me from this. Anyway, so we're having that snowstorm, as you can hear. Sounds crazy, but tonight I'm going to make a another gaming video. Yes, we'll be back on the channel with those if the power doesn't go out, because it's been said to. Excuse me. Yeah, so we're just gonna make like Apiaphobia has a new update. Not chapter 3 or anything. Actually, I kind of want to get into the other news before that, but about the new update. Levels 8, 9, and 10 have been changed. I've heard level 7 has some new parts to it, and level 6 is changed, and level 5. Well, no, every level has been changed, so we're going to play through those. But it's only 1 through 16 that's playable right now, and another game development team has taken over Apiaphobia. They're making another game called Elsewhere, which is the new Apiaphobia. Sorry, I got hiccups. Hate those. My gosh. Anyway, yeah. That's what I wanted to talk about. But I really want to talk about this snowstorm that you hear in the background here. This background noise. Yeah. Bruh. It's ice, or like slush. It's like slush, so it's slushy right now. This is wild, man. This is crazy, just insanity. I can't believe this is my first snowstorm. This is insane, dude. It's gonna get worse from what I've heard, maybe. Hey, at least school's canceled. Oh my god. Sorry, hiccups piss me off. Anyway, hopefully school's canceled. That'd be great. Oh my gosh. Ooh. If the power doesn't go out, I can make more videos. And yeah, I'll keep y'all updated for the snowstorm and whatnot that's going down. So, y'all, getting pretty chilly out here. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Keep y'all updated and everything. Is that static in the background? Or is that actually snow? Oh, it's static. I was supposed to say. Yep. I like this shirt. My dad got it for me. So I heard some people saying this storm's gonna be worse than what they call the blizzard of '93, which happened in 1993. So that was way before me. I was born in 2007, mind you. Yeah. So basically, they're saying this storm could get really crazy. I'm genuinely hoping it doesn't, because that's gonna suck. That that would that would genuinely suck though. And they said the power could go up for 5 days, maybe. 5. That was echoey. But yeah, 5 days, crazy. Genuinely hope not. No, I genuinely just hope this is a bit of snow and not as bad as everyone's saying, because they're saying this could be worse. But I'm hoping it's not as bad, you know. Hoping it's not as terrible. Oh, please don't let it be horrible. Then we have to survive in the dark. Gosh, have to bundle up warm at night, you know? You can really hear it now. Anyway, mind you, here's a whole nother look, bro. Our pool is frozen, per se, because the storm or whatever. Ugh. So yeah. I already see an icicle, bro. There's already a freaking icicle right there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me try to position this. Yeah. It's like right. It's a little icicle though, but well, it shows you how cold it's getting. Damn hiccups. But yeah, it really shows you how cold it's getting out here. Freezing, boys, freezing. Ooh. I'm hoping I don't wake up tomorrow to an apocalyptic snowscape, because that won't be fun. But yeah, that's, ooh, I'm gonna have to keep warm. Here's a cat for you. Here's a cat for you. His name's Moose. Hi, Moose. Hi, little Moose. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah. Say hi to the audience, Moose. Yeah? I like you, Moose. Oh, you could... Oh. See it out there. He's purring. Yeah. Since I didn't see you guys on Thanksgiving, Halloween, and Christmas, I really hope that you all enjoyed those holidays as much as I did. Hope so, at least. Yeah, I really did hope you enjoyed those holidays as much as I did, because I really enjoyed them too. And if it went bad, I hope things get better for you. And, sorry. Oh my gosh, these are hiccups. Sorry that I haven't, uploaded in such a while. I pinky promise you I'll play that new app before we update. Promise you guys. And, St. Patrick's Day is coming up, right? Isn't it in March? I think so. I'll make a video on that, I promise. And, I'll make the video tonight, and St. Patrick's Day, hey, I'll be there. Wearing a green shirt, of course. Well, I'm gonna be wearing a green shirt now. Yeah, so we got this snowstorm going on. Pretty crazy stuff going down. Yeah, man. I can't believe it. Y'all heard it out there, too. It was pretty crazy sounding. Pretty crazy sounding stuff. Ooh. It's really cold. Freezing. Not right now, not right now, of course. It's you're still warming up from the cold. So yeah, we're good in that. Gosh, man. I hope it doesn't get any worse than this, but who really knows? Who really knows? Anyway, before we go, Moose is gonna say bye to you guys. Say bye to the moose. This has a little ear twitch. Yeah. Alright, moose. Well, that has been it for another video. See you guys in the next video. It's been a pretty crazy snowstorm. And if you live in all the areas being affected by this snowstorm, from Texas to Maine, I wish you all luck, and hey, I hope your house is fine. Sorry about my cousin. Anyway, see you guys in the next video, y'all. I really do hope you all have great luck and nothing bad happens to you during this snowstorm. Well, because I'm in it myself, so you know, I'm feeling it I'll be with y'all experiencing it. Keep y'all updated on it. Anyway, see y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all.